You like to show yourself too much. If you talk what you they do now, you go say na lie.
And I say they laugh anyhow. And
I say they laugh like fool.
Easy be yours they laugh like I don't know.
And you're harassing me.
Yeah.
Your father.
He really harassed me.
He will like you now, so different.
No mind now. Idiot.
Really harassed me. They harassed me.
No, they cut eye for me. I'm not
Can you imagine?
I'm not
Can you imagine?
I'm not Oh, Alex Kuba. Oh,
okay.
Please stop it.
I'll report you.
Report me to who?
I don't record them.
Wati! You can't do anything! Uti, I just agree to you. I say how far? Like, how far?
Uti is speak Igbo.
Uti? I'm a kwaneme na jom. I don't know.
Because I say, doesn't behave like quite, you know, our brother from that side.
Who be your brother?
I don't know, you know.
Who be your brother?
They don't they don't used to, you know.
You know how they look here?
Okay. You know, like that Ugo. That is a village somebody.
Who be Ugo? Who be Ugo?
Ugo.
Who be Ugo?
When they talk like say they bring them from Motor Park, from East, up Iwe Road.
Who be Ugo?
Who be Ugo?
How many Ugo you know for here now?
Oh, that one will get baby like this. Oh, that guy Nigeria boy now. If not be say they employ him, the guy.
I don't know.
Anyway, on a good evening and welcome on Top of the Night Show for today. We'll be the 23rd of June 2015. My name is Nedu. And a scarf
now for this. Why you
no,
clap
I don't know why they clap.
Why you clap now? For
when you go clap, you go not go clap. When you see him, he look camera. No way. Look, cut eye. Cut eye. Cut eye. Look
it.
You see him.
Cover.
Anyway, now welcome to Night Show for today. Today on Top Night Show, we get two guests.
Camera, we dey look.
Anyone, just look anywhere belly face. Look any camera. Just look any camera. Anyone where you see, just look. Anyway, today we get two guests. Last week Tuesday we be follow Evelle TikTok. Actually, they spell her name Evelle.
Evelle that we didn't. I didn't.
Okay, spell her.
Spell her. E-L-L-E.
What's the end them?
Ina.
What's it be L-E?
L.
Talk am.
Le.
Okay, pronounce it.
Evelle.
Bam! I don't know how you with her.
I am with
you. Evelle. Anyway, Evelle or Evelle, go there inside studio with us today. And then our own, very own Shakara, go there for inside studio to Shakara show. Name? Shakara? When you go come, you go ask him.
Which kind of person? Which kind of Shakara thing say you
do Shakara. He go tell you, you know, say all of them, they can get stupid answer. I'm doing Shakara for the devil.
It's possible. Yeah, man, like you talk, it's true.
Anyway, two of them, now them will go follow discussion for night show for today. But before we discuss that matter, for inside on those states,
know what you thief. If you want to be a thief, is at the young aboke, you know the things that you thief.
Know what you thief.
Finish.
Now, those where the government, they know what's in the thief. I don't know what's in the thief, but you know.
My brother.
Some girls, they know what they thief. Some men, they know what they thief from girls. They know what they thief around. But some kind men, where did they follow from village? I don't know. For inside on those states now, they arrest some men. You don't know what you go thief.
Everything else.
Now, goat.
Even, we could even say maybe unto Ramadan, maybe in our code, but Ramadan no be code.
No, because see the goats. See how they arrange all the goats with the thief.
The goat never chop belly full even. What did that gallon now?
See them.
Yeah.
Maybe now, you know, now salt. You know, say how they take the thief goat that time. They just carry salt. Come put for the goat, man. The goat no go feed you, man. Gonna lick the salt.
You don't thief good before.
You be idiot.
You feel like when they thief foul. You don't talk that thing again. You could put grain of rice.
No, I don't hear whether they thief foul.
Are you with me?
I'm not with you anything.
The fowl will say, just follow me. God gosh, you to the
You see how she talk of experience. She don't thief foul before.
God gosh, you to the come. And when you get it,
I don't trust that too.
No.
Nedu talk am. You must second that.
You know the fowl, they make us.
Me, I talk waka pass. She talk am, come they explain am. They explain am the process of the thieving.
Oh, now you don't say foul. They sabi cover somebody. If you want catch fowl, you go do.
You don't do this thing.
Oh, you go hold him out.
You know.
More clap for Katim. More clap for Katim.
Clap. Your thiefness.
Your resume.
Your thiefness business.
No.
Yeah, he will greet you.
Your Highness.
Your Highness, we greet
We
you.
acknowledge your presence.
We acknowledge your presence.
That's the problem when you live with, men around you.
Now I wonder, where if okay, the one why I want talk now, the one where the person catch they catch one guy with goats, they wipe goats.
Huh?
Did they wipe goats?
Which kind of people?
Oh, you never hear when they catch person they wipe goats?
I see him.
I don't hear they catch person they
I
wipe
saw for
fowl.
blog.
They wipe goat. They wipe.
Oh, now man, they wipe this wipe.
Man, they wipe the wipe now.
They for beat him very well.
They beat the
Carry
guy.
him, hang for rope.
The
put
one
am
where they
peg
catch.
for body.
Oh, you never hear story now. Then catch one. He said that the goat they always cut eye for him. when the man they pass like this, when the man they waka pass, goat go say, meh.
Must say, respect yourself. Oh. Respect
Meh.
yourself.
No. The goat go come and talk like whiskey. Meh. Meh.
So now that one come be cutting eye.
Oh, God.
I know say go they do that thing.
Go do that thing where. Now what can happen when the guy come follow the goat, come go wipe the goats. They can't arrest the goat. Now, another one will happen again. Would they wonder how they take the arrest people? You know, so why I like America? For America, police don't stop you before.
No, they don't. I never go America before.
You never go America. Okay, where you don't go?
I go New York.
Wahala day.
You go New York. You never go America before. It will not.
You which side you go?
You know
for
what you
America?
be?
Where you go for America? You know where America dey? You know where America dey? This nigga don't trust you.
You don't trust
me. Your own, you know, go past this low man. Toko.
Oh,
na abroad.
Now, see, you know, for America, if they want to arrest you, police go just to arrest for them to arrest, go they hungry you.
Yes.
When they arrest you,
And you go
meet
say, never polite.
Hey, come front. Waka anyhow. Just waka. I should tell the waka before I help your life. Stop there. Please, ma'am, why are you driving like this?
Like how, my brother?
You're driving past. I didn't tell you to do. You're driving past the speed limit,
I
ma'am.
just dey drive. Oh God, leave me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Waiting now.
No, now you behave like you now. You go they sweet you. You go say, okay, please come, ma'am.
No, they beat me. Your hand they pain.
Yeah, your hand can pay.
Oh, come now. Okay, come now.
No, rub me now. I dey come. Yes.
Come, ma'am.
Come to where?
So why are you driving the way you're driving? You're driving
just-
past the speed limit, ma'am.
Oh, I didn't know. That yours, I go driving school. They yours teach me like that.
Follow me, ma'am.
To where?
Please put your hands behind your back, ma'am.
Yeah, to.
You know, so when did they tell you?
they respect you.
Man, these guys, they respect me.
respect
Okay, arrest me. Arrest me.
Take me there now.
They will say, please, can you follow us to the police station? No
follow you.
problem. No
You say
problem. You go.
Nedu just they go me and follow you. Say follow me.
Like, see this man now. He respects himself.
So
Say they arrest him.
Tell me now, follow me.
Please follow us to the station.
Okay, now behind you now go.
No, don't worry. No, we are going. See this one. Did they respect themselves? They follow him. He didn't even smile because they respect him.
See as the policeman gauge now.
See, God job.
They respect
He
him.
be like who they go space.
See the policeman dress well, but for Nigeria,
See the madam self.
when police won't hold you,
No use me do.
better there. Better. See Nigeria. Where they arrest person? Say they arrest person for Nigeria. Black. Okay. Then
Oga,
see
park your motor.
See Nanyash, that one. Okay, if you move it. Stand here.
See this one.
What? Hey, you want to try me? Now police be this one. Marco see how last man take the see this one. Now carry him. Then last man, see him. They drag him. If last man won't come arrest person or whole person, see him. Person Range Rover Sport. Last man, this one they drag the driver, make a drag and come out.
Last man, they use see him.
See last man. APC lele. You are for PDP. And I only they talk. See him. Please, when will you people learn how to arrest?
I don't know. The new Lagos State governor don't want
Please,
them say.
Ambode, our Lagos State
He
governor.
don't want them say no be like this.
Please,
fighting.
more na train, if possible, train them, make them go America, make them train them how to arrest. Imagine say you drive police and last man stop you. Say excuse me, ma'am. Ejo mo pinu.
Yeah.
Beshe wa moto. You're driving anyhow, ma'am. Please, can you calm down? You go to ask yourself whether you did dream. Am I dreaming? No, ma'am, you're in Lagos.
Then he go say, let me help you calm down.
Let me.
Then
please.
you just calm down and say,
Let's not
my brother, anything you want me to do for you, I
yes.
do. How can I help you?
Tell me to naked. I will naked. Please, people should respect. If you they arrest people like this, it go good.
Okay, you mean I'm going Musician Evelle something?
Where?
Those kind of places. They no fit be patient like you. They will say, they will first try them. Make I help you. First of all, the person go say, help me do what that's all I want 15.
This is where you talk now. It make me remember one usher for one church. You know, say usher, they do too much. They always do too much.
Yes. Let me hold your back.
Come.
Let me.
Just one come. If I want to say make you go sit down, may you say I want to sit down here.
No, do it again. No, I want to sit here. No, let me. Let me.
Madam, I be area boy before. I go blow you. Better come sit down here. Pastor, everyone talk. Make we best much give break when you come back. We'll continue. Shakara go down intercession that time. We dey come back. Don't forget say Evelle day.